Pitman Shorthand Exercise 30. Be ready. Start. For several special reasons, I should like you to come to see me on Wednesday as early as you can. I especially desire you to write out the names of all the firms with which you have had business dealings since you came to us. I shall discuss a new policy with you, and the names for which I ask may be of use. I am a bit upset at the refusal of SQ and Benson to take those Eskimo rugs, and I should like to know the reasons for the refusal. I have several subjects besides these of which I wish to speak to you when I see you on Wednesday. Ask to see me as soon as you arrive. Stop.